Let me start by saying something that might surprise you. Tech jobs are not disappearing, but entry-level roles, they're being replaced.
If you've been hearing that AI is taking over jobs and that tech careers are disappearing, don't panic. It's not true.
Think of the corporate ladder. For 50 years, the deal was simple. Companies paid you to learn, but AI has broken the bottom rungs.
The apprenticeship is over. The robot is the new apprentice.
AI and automation are taking over the repetitive tasks, the basic coding jobs, debugging, and standard workflows.
This creates a paradox. Companies are desperate for senior engineers. There is a labor shortage at the top, but a labor surplus at the bottom.
Why? Because paying a human salary to do what an AI does for a subscription fee is bad math. If your skills are entry level, you are competing with free. Companies don't need grunt work. They need strategy, systems, architecture. The market no longer pays for code monkeys.
In the old world, you were a bricklayer. In the new world, you must be the architect. You don't get paid to type. You get paid to ship. The best developers now aren't just writing lines of code. They're directing AI swarms to build entire systems.
So here is the secret to skipping the broken ladder. Use AI to simulate experience.
Don't just build a to-do list app. Use AI to force you into senior problems like cloud architecture, security, and scaling. You can no longer wait for a job to teach you. You must use AI to teach yourself. AI isn't a threat, it's an opportunity. The demand for leaders is skyrocketing. The ladder is broken, so build an elevator. In the next episode, we show you the exact tools to do it. Subscribe to Novarion Media Hub. Comment below, is the junior developer role gone forever? Let us know.